Hello from Hengehold Trucks. You are looking at a 2016 Chevy 1500 with 18,375 miles. Stick around to the end of this video to hear this baby's engine purr. This vehicle's highlights include Bluetooth, cruise control, keyless entry, a bedliner, a receiver hitch, and more. It is eligible for a Section 179 tax write-off. Businesses have counted on Hengehold Trucks for over 75 years. Every truck we sell is carefully selected, inspected, and serviced for reliability. At Hengehold, it's more than a truck. It's your business.